Hi everybody, this is Nanny. Nanny tries everything. Today I'm setting up just a small little decorations into my kitchen for my husband's birthday today. Something quick. Had a busy week. Haven't got a chance to really plan anything. I did go order him a cake. We're gonna do something quick where as far as his dinner and then birthday celebration. We are having Basa Filet fish. I get that ordered from one of my markets that I shop at. Also steamed shrimp and macaroni shrimp salad. Also some fresh fruit and maybe steamed vegetables. But I just wanted you to know how I do it. Something quick, something easy, something less stress for me to be able to just get through this day. He be home from work by 5:30, so I want to celebrate from 6 to 8. And I just want you to come along and see how I do it to make it easy, less stress-free. Even so, I had to clean the kitchen earlier, but I'm just going to show you how I decorate this little area in my kitchen to celebrate him. So come with me. I just want to show you a few little things that I purchased at the dollar store, something just pretty much inexpensive. These plates here, the napkins, it's a color theme, a happy birthday, some black little cake plates, some gold dinnerware, some black cups, and I also purchased this from the dollar store, a rectangle tablecloth, gold. And I bought some rolls from yesterday from the market, but you see here my granddaughter went into it before I got a chance to set it out. But that's what it is when you got children. And I also bought these little Dollar Tree containers to put some of the food in it. Great value, $2. They're not $1.25 anymore. Dollar Tree is going up on some of their items, but they still have some great deals. It's still cheaper. And then also this little dish that I'm going to use. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in each one of them, but once I finish everything, I'll show you the total setup, how I do it, and also a birthday cake. And I'll actually have that for you to see what the cake is like. So first of all, I just want to, I also had bought this little black and gold dish, the accent to the color. I really like it, probably more so for the fish once I set out. And then I just using something quick, the lemonade and iced tea drinks that I'm gonna pour into my my mason glassware that I purchased from Walmart. I'm not sure if they sell this all the time, but if I see it, I'll link this on below. Also, this little pedal stool, I actually bought this from the Dollar Tree and I glued it on. That's something that something different to do. So I just tried that and see how it worked. Because when I had set them out for an event previously, it was on the table, but it was too low for people to be able to pour their drink. So I just thought about creating something to get it just a little depth, a little height, to be able to raise up so people can put their drinks in and easily pour it in. So if you would like to do something like this here, I can do maybe a craft later that I will show you. But if you have any questions, any comments, or anything you may see that I'm doing not so simple, just let me know. Subscribe below, like below, and then we're going to be able to have a good time just showing what I do. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive, something quick, something easy. Because has been a really busy week, and I didn't really plan out anything for them, just do dinner. This is a buffet style table that I purchased from, I believe, Wayfair, I believe. a few years ago. Something to give me a little bit more space when I'm baking or cooking. If I see the link, if I find this on Wayfair, then I'll link the description in below as well. But it comes with 3 bar stools. I really love it because it really gives the kitchen just a little bit more space. So I can be able to have more space when we're eating dinner, especially when someone come over. The kids pretty much will eat here. I know I got my back turned, but sorry. Trying to pull this out just a little bit. Something quick. I don't want it to be anything that's long drawn out. Just something quick to go. I have the cake here. We're just having dinner. I just want to sing happy birthday to him. I had a big event for him last year, and it was exhausting afterwards. So just something, something quick, something simple.
Sometimes they're kind of like a little funny because
They loop in the string. You just have to keep it together. And so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put it across here. See if I can get it across here. Just say happy birthday. Nothing fancy. Just something quick. So I'm going to take my masonry jar and I'm going to mix this up. It's going to be, it's called half and half. Tea and lemonade. Something easy, quick. I don't have to make anything. And everybody here likes tea and lemonade mixed together. We pretty much, this is our go-to drink. Sometimes our hand makes it. Like today, I just don't have time here. But I'll be back to show you the final results.